Can I ask you some advice?
Yes, of course.
What do you recommend I see and do in New York?
I recommend checking out the Statue of Liberty and the Empire States Building.
Yes, I really want to go see both places. Where is a good place to go shopping?
I recommend you go to Fifth Avenue. There are many big department stores there.
I will keep that in mind. Where is the best place for cheesecake?
You have to go to Junior's in Brooklyn.
Absolutely. I can't wait.
Where will you stay?
I'll stay at the Wall Street Hotel on Fifth Avenue.
I know that hotel very well. It's very nice.
That's great to hear. May I ask one more question?
Yes, of course.
What is the best place to have a beer?
There is a great rooftop bar called Lava Lounge. It has a beautiful view of Times Square.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your advice.